here to just introduce something because I got a comment from Fam Canistellos. I'm sorry if I'm saying your name wrong. So Fam Canistellos, I'm sorry. I forgot to. I ran out of time to record. I'm sorry. Actually, I'm not apologizing for you anymore. That you just gave me a hate comment. That can't stop me from YouTube. Well, I'm just here to introduce this little app that I forgot to show in the how to burp video because I ran out of time because my mom called me out to go to the store. So it's called Burp Sounds. Then there's like a whole bunch of buttons that you click. You guys can't see that, but it says sound 1, sound 2, sound 3, sound 4, sound 5, sound 6, sound 7, sound 8, sound 9, sound 10, sound 11, sound 12. And you can just make the sounds like. It's not me doing the burps. It's just this cool little app called Burping Sounds. Well, that was just it for today's little video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you all next time. Bye!